Have you seen how the sapling comes out after you sow a seed? It comes out, and before you know it's growing, and then it grows to become big trees like all those trees you see behind me. It happens silently. But on very stormy, rainy nights, some of these tall trees here, they fall off, they break. And the amount of sound they make when they fall is frightening actually on dark, stormy nights. Growth is always silent. Destruction makes a lot of noise. At your workplace, focus on your work and grow, but silently. Everyone will notice it sooner or later, but you stay focused on doing a good job and keep growing.